Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Today is our topic in HTML, how to insert an image. So when we use the HTML, as you know, HTML is a hypertext markup language that is used for the creating the web pages in a website. So today's in this class we will discuss about the how can we insert a image in a web page. As you know, whenever you use any kind of your website open, then you can see some kind of the pictures, wallpapers are there. So in this class we will see how can we apply a picture on a web page. So first we will start our notepad, and for the notepad opening we go to the start button, then click on the all program, then click on accessories, and then another box will be open where you can see the notepad, and then you click on the notepad. When your notepad will be open, then you can see your window will be like in this way. Then you can be write the starting with your coding there with the help of the some kind of the tags, like in a HTML tag you have to be start the HTML title tag and main your body tag. After that you have to be first we will understand what is the meaning of the HTML images and some kind of the attributes we are using when we creating a HTML page. Here images are defined with the img tag and src means what is the source of that. To display an image of an page you need to use the source के लिए we are used to source means path. What is the actual path, where is the picture location is there. So we use this for src attribute. src stands for the source, the value of the src attribute, the url of the image, the path of the image, exactly we can say that. Like you can say we have to be right here bracket start img space src equals to double between the double quotes you have to be write the path where your picture will be इन योर सिस्टम. आपकी पिक्चर एक्चुअल में सिस्टम में कहाँ है, उसका पाथ, उसकी लोकेशन क्या है. देन यू हैव टू बी क्लोज योर टैग. इट्स इन अ काइंड ऑफ it's not in a container tag, it's an empty tag. It's having the opening tag, there is a no closing tag here, so we have to be not to be close this tag. So image plotting, p means paragraph. If you have to be given a distance between the two three pictures, then you can be use the paragraph option also. Now you can see here I'm using here style, which kind of the style you are using. Right, position, if you want to be right position, left position, you can be use. Width and height also you can be use of the picture are here. In the next slide you can see here some kind of the alignments are here, like in a left, right, top, text top, middle or center. You can be easily used to them, and then can your picture will be according to your can be set on your web page. Now in this image you can see here easily I'm start my page with the help of the HTML heading and title I already had to be defined. After that in a body tag I'm writing here bracket start, you can be see in the highlighted line img space src equals to double quotes has started, and which is my picture name and path name I am writing here. How can we write the picture location here? Suppose your picture on your desktop, you have to be go to the desktop, just go to your picture and right click on your picture. After then you can see in the last there is the properties. When you click on the properties, the property window will be appear there. You can see the location or path of your picture. You can see also the picture name and what is the extension of that, like in a it's a jpg, a jpeg, or it's a bitmap picture. So you can be right see there also extension of the picture. Then you have to be copy the path of the picture, location of the picture, then you have to be write paste here in the double quotes. After that you can see the picture, write the picture name forward slash, then write the picture name dot jpg JPEG or bitmap, which kind of the extension is using you are there, you have to be after dot write that three letters JPEG. Agar that there is a JPEG, then you have to be JPG, and your double quotes will be closed and bracket close, your body and HTML close also. Then you can go to the your location on internet, and then you can see the your output there. The another slide is here, you can see my another document is here. In the body part I am using here p paragraph बना के run ASP server script via is in a just in a description I am writing here in data isn't there. After that I am writing in the img source, where is my cursor is blinking, equals to double quotes will be start http double quotes colon // www.myserver.com / my first dot ASP, and then double quotes close and body and HTML close. So you can be choose any kind of the location of your picture, any kind of the thing you can be select from there, and can you see there your output also. So hope you enjoy my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.